Okay, what I want to do is somehow ng serve is somehow look at how productive I am. I may go by day, but I also may go by product specific productivity, if that makes sense. So like say if I'm running 190, I want to see how much product I make per day and how much scrap I make per day. New fun research out this week. 50% contains security vulnerabilities. Well, I'll say this. 100% of my human generated code has security vulnerabilities. So I'd say that AI is an improvement. Um let's do this. I want to explore what the heck. Okay, didn't go out. Never mind. I want to explore how to display certain. Actually, wait. Let me Google this first. But at least then you know it's your bugs personally created with love and attention and time and technical debt and tears and a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, it's mine. Hold up. I guess like P5 would be something. Wait, is that still a thing? Is P5 still a thing? P5. What would be something else? Um, is P5 not what I remember it being? What the heck? Yes. Wait, is what's GraphQL? That may sound stupid. Well, what is GraphQL? Because I want graphs. This is not what I thought it was gonna be. Never mind. Um, is Chart.js still a thing? Is Chart.js a thing? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? .org. Ooh, okay. So, oh, this is what I want. Dozens of kilobytes. Wow. Does that make it C friendly? Chat, are you okay? All right. C, the programming language. C. Ooh, if I highlight things, it's the color. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. Does this cost ecosystem? Come here. Come here. But it could have been colored as you thought it. Maybe. Maybe. You happy now? Okay. Just don't mess up the whole rig, okay? Okay. Let's get started because we are on a time crunch. Um, it says ecosystem, but like, what does it say that it supports? Like, oh, I see what it's saying. I see what it's saying. Thank you. What? I'm not getting lost in this. All I want to do is just get started. Tree shaking. All I want to do is just get started with this and have fun. API. Okay, fine. Let's do this. Oh, what's up, Black Cat? Sorry, it's YouTube, so it's a little bit late coming in. And I may also be lagging. But how are you doing? It's been a while, but yeah. I have this weekend off, so maybe I'll be streaming a little bit more consistently this weekend. So maybe all these look really complicated. Create an Angular project. Yeah. So this is more like specific to like what I'm doing rather than like general stuff. Let's I have an idea. What if, just a what if I paste this into here and the URL to like the documentation to here? Stay with me. Man, never mind. Hold up. Wait, since you sent me this, do I even have to? Is that a suggestion to just do this by hand? I'll do it by hand, but it's gonna be like ugly. I'm kind of in stasis right now. Might take a nap. Well, always prioritize your physical and mental health. You know how boring my stream gets, so this could be a sleeping stream. I don't know. Hold up. I want to explore how to display certain uh metrics in relation to how productive and efficient I am daily and also by product and move is going on right now. So wait, wait, you're still in? I thought you lost or not lost, but like you didn't move on to the next round. To use chart J would I go about doesn't end until so this is currently round 4. Okay. Do you have to be awake for that? Phase 2 starts in 2 weeks, which I should be out. Man, if I were you, I'll be asleep. Nothing, and I mean nothing, is gonna stop me from sleeping. Plan mode. Let's see what it gives me. Mm. Okay. That twinkle twinkle little star is really gonna knock the socks off of people. I'll tell you that much. Mm, this is gonna be Shrek. Oh, yes. I think I like this haircut. I think this is just like my haircut of choice. And yeah, to have it this low. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's weird because Ever calls it shaved head, but like where we're from, we just call it a cut or a haircut. Add chart and angular. What? Chat, do you need to do that right now? Okay. How to create a bar? I don't know if I want it to be a bar chart. Mm, anything that is low enough to be done. Oh, well, I suppose so then. Install date adapters for time-based charge. Build a metric service to calculate productivity KPIs and line efficiency, problem resolution time. Daily productivity score, composite score based on uptime, product specific metrics across lines. Okay. New component, daily efficiency trends over time. This is weird. I think I may want to do this step by step manually, but I want AI to just like guide me through it. So what I may do, I'm gonna read this and then go to get started and then just go from there because like these are all very good ideas, but like blasting it like this would just make it. It would make it, but I wouldn't be up to speed as to what it's doing. And then I'll have to basically like redo the entire thing by hand anyway. So I might as well do it from the ground up. Integrations comes with built-in TypeScript typings and is compatible with that. Uh, you can use directly or leverage well-maintained wrappers that allow a more native immigrate integration. Is this up to date? Please be up to date. I know it will again do the 8 million files. I don't want it. I don't have the capacity for that anymore. Um using that, the required packages will be automatically installed in your app config. TypeScript will be updated with the required changes to start using the library right away. You can install using npm or yarn. You also need to install and include chart.js. Okay, so what's the point of this? This just seems like another layer that I don't really need. So I'm just gonna use raw chart.js. Um, Not everything has to be Angular specific because I'm regretting downloading Angular Fire. I could just be using the regular Firebase CLI or API or SDK or whatever it's called. I could just be using that I use on my React projects, but for some reason, I thought that having it integrated into Angular Fire would be better or whatever, but no. You could just be using Awesome SQL, also that. Wait, SQL has charts? Maintainers and community members. Okay. Getting started. Getting started. Images instead of. Oh, that too. Um. Oh, I see what this is doing. Oh. Oh. I don't like this. Maybe. Wait. Um. In this example, we create a bar chart for a single data set and render it on that. So I think I need to do that. Install that. What is this? The CLI thing? Let's do that. What? Integrate bundler. Okay. Do that. Chart.js. Oh, that was on the next page. I could have waited for that. Um, I'm jumping using Node.js. I don't want to do that right now. You create a bar chart. So labels red, blue. That's confusing because they're all blue. What? What? Okay. So the labels are the x-axis and I guess it automatically makes the y-axis? How does it do that? And it does it in respect to like 1 to 1. So number of vote, border width, beginning at 0, true. Okay. First, let's break this code down. First, you need to have a canvas in our page ID, my chart. Okay. Is it possible to do that? New chart. This is a class, isn't it? From the CDN. Okay. Import chart. Oh, okay. Available integrations. Don't know what this is. Why would it ask me to I don't yuck. Because this doesn't have native documentation for it that I want. And this doesn't even use JavaScript. Angular does not use Java. What? Okay. What does the documentation say? NG2 charts. Do that, do that. I already read that. Type bar. Bar chart data options. Huh. Theme, light theme, dark theme, light theme. Selected theme. This is it? How do I get there? Okay. Something just called me a. If you scroll down a little bit. Sorry, you did say a little bit. I didn't see that. You also need to provide global configuration in that. Wherever, import that from ng chart types. What I linked you. Oh, sorry. Hmm? 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 I'm I'm scared because I don't know how I want to display this. I don't know if I want it to be like the is Stack Blitz Bolt. Hello? What does it do? Oh. I don't know if I want to do that. It's not going to be a pie chart. Not going to be a donut. Radar chart, polar area, bubble chart. No scatter. What does a scatter look like? No! I don't hate this. It's just a matter of changing the color of the line and what's underneath this line. I don't like that. But I think that's more of a styling thing. Getting one rendered on your page, getting data from your database and pull it and putting it in an array so it's useful for Chart.js. I don't think either of those are really that big of a concern to me. It's not going to be a scatter. It's going to be this. And this is a what? Line? Okay. It's basically the same thing. Okay. Um, when optimizing the bundle, you need to import and register. So regardless, the installation part, add ng add. Hello. Ng add. Yes. Import the directive into your standalone component, my component. Actually, I don't know where this is going to live. Especially because, hmm, nav bar. I need to make a new route. Hmm? Mm, mm. What did I do wrong? Mm. Is that good? Okay, we're just gonna roll. I know. Um, what was I doing? In here, I need to make a route. Um, TS. Uh, 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 uh. Make a nut just about right here. Path analytics. I have not made an analytics, so NGGC analytics. Sure, I don't feel like making a standalone thing, so analytics. Oh, okay. Do that. Does it work? Oh, it works. So from here, no, I think I have too many files. Um, I think I'm done with this. I think I'm done with this too. At the very least, on this page, please, on this page, I want it to look, oh, at component, it says base chart directive. Whoa, what's wrong with this? Remove all unused. Man, and this is my component. Cool. What's going on? Isn't that the point? Isn't that point three under main and aren't needed? Why would it not be needed? I'm confused. It'll probably say The required package. Under yes. Yes. So did I? Did I? I did both. I'm confused. What's the problem? What? Am I able to move forward or no? In my main provider, main TS provider would my app be hmm hmm this will be in here. Ooh, okay. So in my providers provide charts that that sorry. Now what just happened? Oh, it just added it for me. Okay, and this was added right there. Provide charts. Cool. Alternatively, include a minimal configuration to reduce the bundle size. What happened? Or hmm, my app module. Mm-mm. I guess I'm in the right spot. Like I did it already. So, okay. So from here, there is one directive for all charts. You can use the directive on a canvas element. Uh-uh-uh. This is just the the themes. But what I would need to do, I guess I'm going back here. I don't know because if I go here, it's gonna tell me the exact same thing. It's not gonna like give me a step by step of how to make a chart. It's just giving me themes. Um, mhm, well, uh, hmm? 19, man, we are on Angular 20 already. This is outdated. Mm, uh, Productive. I've been on what that last run? F3 using. Let's see if it actually does it. I don't think it will. I did. Here is that update analytics component, import ng2 charts component and those types, add to fetch the line data. Oh gosh. That's not what I want. Is that what I want? Line chart showing productivity over the last 7 days. Do it over the past 2 weeks. Percentage uptime, total time. This is weird. I want it to show the last 14 days. I want. Well, the x-axis will be the dates. The y to be the amount of product made. I just want to do the product made and not the scrap made. Maybe I can have them side by side. Maybe, but I don't want to overload it just now or right now. Uh, uh, uh Query the Firestore for calculate daily uptime percentages. You could do one over the other. Yeah. Uh Chart canvas. I guess that's the less than sign chart HTML thing. Um with responsive sizing, styling. Let's do that. Let's see what it says, what it spits back. Let's see. Aggregate production totals. Generate date labels for that. Let's do that and see what it comes up with. No! I messed up. I messed up the entire prompt. I didn't save my last file. Uh, what was that? What was that? Thank you. This is a lot. Okay. Not familiar with the particular imports, but the data sets are. Ew, I don't like this. This looks disgusting. Isn't there some way to make this not look as ugly? Load that. Have that. Are these signals? Please do signals. Sample data. Okay. Okay. My canvas is that. Okay. Let me fix the chart type. Line chart. Line. Nice. I believe so. And cool. So from here, what I have to do, cannot find name. What does 60 say? 60 analytics. Claude config, which would say always use. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's weird. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wait. Let me look at the actual thing. Hold up. I'm not a right click inspect type of person. It made me pause for a second. Hold up. Stacked bar chart. I was thinking about that. I'll just ask Claude to do it. Can you make it a bar chart and use real data from the buyers? Or I believe the best place to look is the recipes collection and extract the product made field from the appropriate documents. Let's do that. This is kind of crazy. Okay, wait. I think I do understand why it said last 7 because if I'm looking to do it for a mobile design, probably the best way to showcase it is doing it in chunks of 7 days because if I try to do 14 days, that's too many data points to show on a small screen. So I'll probably go weekly or like at the very most show, I don't know. I guess 7 is a good number. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Mr. Chicken? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Long time no see, but that's my fault. I don't know why, but I'm really sleepy. Well, I wanted to read it line by line, but I don't think that that's gonna be that fun to watch. I could do it and just get for because right now I'm just making a simple. Hello? Okay. I'm making a simple chart. Hopefully it worked. Failed. Why? Why? What? Created at, you know what? You know what? And now it's stuck infinitely. Just doing this. Oh, I have to make a new thing in my console. Whoops. It's gonna go here. I don't know what this new thing is. I've never used any of this stuff. These indexes, I've never used this before. I may need to research that because it's stopping me from doing, like, I can't do it in my code anymore. If I try to sort something or do it the old style way, it's now pushing me to do indexes. And I'm not used to doing that. I guess it's a new thing. How I would do it before would do it line by line with code. But now it's not giving me access to the database if I don't make an index. Really? Huh. I didn't know anything about that. I don't want to do it line by line. Oh gosh. Dang it. Enable. Hmm. I didn't know that this was such a like, is it doing it in here? This. Doing it like this. Where I would query something, order it by something, where equals is equal to, stuff like that. I would do it like that. But now it's not letting me do it if I don't have an index set up. And then sort client side. I don't believe, well, yes. Well, no. Not the entire database, a collection. And then sort. So enable now. Okay. Three, two, one. What? Oh, maybe it's doing that little angular thing. Yup, it's doing that little angular thing. Hold up. ng serve. For anything you search, you want an index. Hmm. Interesting. Is anything gonna show up? Because I already. This is enabled now. What's the problem with the code? Well, if loading. You know what? Where's the first instance of loading? Load that. Loading false, loading false. Yeah, I'm probably, you know what? Since it's so laggy, I'm probably gonna get off. Um, yeah, I think it's a good time to get off. This was fun. Yeah, I don't feel like checking anything right now. I'm probably going to get off because it's just gonna become a troubleshooting stream, and I don't want that to happen. Um, so yeah, that doesn't sound interesting to me. Um, I will be out living life. Um, yeah, hopefully. I don't know. And I don't know why I'm having so many technical difficulties. I really don't, but hopefully it fixes itself. I don't know. But later.